Listen to how beautiful this Viper ACR sounds with straight pipes. If you're looking for one of the quickest ways to improve your lap times around a track, simply put by a Dodge Viper ACR. The legendary American Club Racer series has been renewed for 2016, following a 6-year absence, but the recipe surely hasn't been lost during its time away. The new Dodge Viper ACR pummels the tarmac with 645 horsepower and 600 pound-foot of torque, which when combined with a slew of suspension and aerodynamic modifications, has resulted in 13 new road course lap records. Perhaps you've heard of some of them: Laguna Seca, Road Atlanta, Virginia International Raceway. The new Vipers also sound properly good, especially this one. According to videographer Jason Thorgelson, this Viper's stock exhaust has been canned in favor of a straight pipe unit. While that mod may impact its road legality, with a sound like this, it's a machine best limited to a track anyway. Take a listen. The Viper's 8.4-liter V10 rumbles like a true race car. It frankly is one, and absolutely roars with the slightest prod of the accelerator. While hybridization and electrification look to be the way forward in future performance cars, the Dodge Viper is still purely analog and in a very wonderful way. It's also in good company amongst the other track champions in this garage: an Ivory Lingenfelter-tuned Corvette ZR1 and a Ferrari F430 Scuderia. Need one? The ACRs don't come cheaply, about $119,000 a pop, but perhaps that's a small price to pay for king of the road status and on-track dominance.